You don't need money to start a successful YouTube channel, and I'm gonna prove it. The goal of this video is to start a new channel without spending a single dollar, and see if it's gonna work. No paid AI tools, no sponsorships, no hidden paid communities or courses. This is just a genuine video of me trying to start a new channel from scratch without any paid tools. This is the channel I created, and my first video is already uploaded. So if you are someone struggling to start YouTube, or someone who doesn't know how to do it, or someone who has tried several times and failed, this video is for you. Before we start, I want you to know that I'm not creating some AI slop bullshit or some ranking video montages that completely violate the copyrights policy. However, in this process, I will get help from AI in the correct way, without 100% depending on it, because I believe AI is not as creative as we are. Okay, the first thing I need is a trending niche, and this niche has to have high RPM and a large audience. So when I was checking example channels and niches on YouTube, I found this channel. It has just 19 videos, but it has almost 800,000 subscribers. And that's really something. After I did some research, I think the owner of this channel doesn't upload frequently. It's like one video every 6 months. But still, this is doing pretty good. And 9 videos have more than 1 million views, which means there's a huge audience that likes this niche. I couldn't find similar channels like this, which suggests there's demand, but not enough supply. So I think it's a good idea to go with this niche. Don't get confused. I'm not trying to copy this channel. I'm only gonna use this niche. This is a really simple niche. It's basically explaining the science behind things. The most viewed video on this channel is Science Behind Bluetooth. So here's what I did. I just sat down and thought about similar video ideas. And I took those ideas and I straight up went to Claude AI and asked it to give me 10 video ideas similar to this for 5 categories. Don't worry, it's completely free. I don't even use the paid version of this AI, just use the free version. So I got this list of ideas for different categories. Now, there is actually no way to guarantee that the first topic I'm gonna select will go viral. And it actually doesn't matter. As Mr. Beast said,
especially if you have 0 views on your channel, your first video is not gonna get views, period. It's not. Your first 10 are not gonna get views. I can very confidently say that.
I actually believe him because I have several channels and none of the first videos on my channels performed well. But after uploading several videos, I started to see that I get more views. So I stopped procrastinating and picked this topic as the first video. And the next challenge is creating the script for this video. I had to consider several factors when creating the script. So I watched several videos about how to create a killer script and understood 3 key factors. And those are, the first 30 seconds of the video are the most important part. We need to exceed the viewer's expectations. And curiosity is the key. Let me explain why these 3 things matter. When you upload a video to a new channel, YouTube doesn't have enough data to process and find the correct audience. So it totally relies on your keywords to find a sample audience of around 500 and show them your video. And those are called impressions. Then, depending on how many people watch your video out of those impressions, the algorithm calculates the impression to click ratio. Your goal is to get 7% or above. If you can do that, your video will be shown to more audiences. If you get less than 3%, it's not gonna get any views anymore because YouTube will stop giving more impressions to your video. The next important factor is the watch time. It's called audience retention, which simply measures the average percentage of a video that viewers watch before clicking away. For example, if a video is 10 minutes long and people watch 5 minutes of it on average, the retention rate is 50%. Your goal is to increase this retention rate and get more watch hours. To do that, your video has to be perfect. That's why you need a good video script. And that's why I told you the first 30 seconds of the video are very important. Because within that time, you need to convince your viewer to watch the whole video. With the knowledge I gather, I created this formula to write a script in a perfect way. Here's what you can do. You can refer to the formula and write a script by yourself. That's the method I mostly recommend. Another easier method is to go to Claude AI and ask it to generate a script for your topic by referring to this formula. And once you get that script, you're gonna have to read it entirely. Remove or replace parts that feel like AI generated, and make it more creative. The script is the backbone of your video, so spend a lot of time making it, and put your best effort. After that, we need a tool to convert this into an AI voiceover. What I would recommend is that you use 11 Labs. It will give you 10,000 free credits, which is enough for 3 videos. With this method, you can get a high-quality AI voice without spending any money. After that, I needed to find an editing style. So I decided to go with the same editing style that the example channel is using. If you want to get a clear idea about this style, take a look at this sample video.
You've done it, I've done it, somebody, somewhere, right now, is doing it as you are watching this. You had a few drinks, and suddenly you were a philosopher, a poet, a guy who definitely should text his ex about your feelings. And the next morning, some other, more sober version of you wakes up and says, "Fuck, what the fuck have I done? Who let me do that?"
That's the style I'm gonna do. It's really simple to edit with CapCut, and you don't even need the paid version. All you need is some stock videos, stock images, and meme templates. So let me show you how you can download those. With this website, which is called PNG Egg, you can easily download PNG images of any famous movie characters, and it's free. For memes, you can use this website. It's also free. It has all the popular meme PNGs. And finally, with this website, you can download any meme or funny clips that you can use for your video editing process. And the next important thing is sound effects. You need to add sound effects to suitable places to keep your video more interesting. Pixabay is one of the websites that you can use to download any sound effects for free. I'm not going to show you the whole editing process in this video because it's literally adding text layers and images. So, if you are still watching this video, that means you really want to gain something from YouTube automation. And I trust you guys. Keep doing what you are doing, and you will become successful for sure. Now, let's move on to the next part, which is the thumbnail. As I explained earlier, if you want to get more views, you need to get a good click-through rate. This whole thing depends on 2 factors, the thumbnail and the title. The thumbnail is the first thing a viewer sees, even before opening the video. It doesn't matter how good your video is. If your thumbnail sucks, no one is even going to click your video. Your goal is to make a unique thumbnail style that no one has done before. For this process, you can get help from AI. Now, YouTube has this feature where you can try different thumbnail options and see which style gets more attention. After I uploaded my first video, it's been 2 days, and I only have 29 views. But it doesn't matter. I have already completed the second video. My plan is to upload 10 videos without considering the views. The reason I blurred the name of this channel is that I don't want to provide traffic for that channel from here. And I will reveal the results in exactly 2 months. Before I end the video, I want to say that don't ever stop uploading. If you check my channel and watch my first video, you will understand how bad I was at making videos. But even if I didn't get views, I didn't stop making videos. So keep making content, and I will see you guys in the next video.